Welcome to Mustoinves in Cambodia, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you how you can get a Cambodian driving license for a car and a motorbike. But before we start, don't forget to like the video, share it to your friends, subscribe to Mustoinves in Cambodia, hit the notification button, and yes, contact us if you need any legal service in Cambodia. And let's get started. So yes, if you want to get a Cambodian driving license for a car or a motorbike, it is very important that you have a valid passport. Yes, your passport has to have at least a 2-year plus validity. This is very important because, yes, even for a visa extension, if your passport has less than 2-year validity, they will issue you an extension of a maximum of only 6 months. And then this is also important to know that you have to have a 6 to 12 months business visa extension. Yes, if you want to get a Cambodian driving license for a car or a motorbike, you have to have a visa extension for 6 to 12 months. So what are the requirements? Yes, these are the main requirements for you. You don't have to show more documents. You can use reputable companies such as our company. You can check out in the description below our official websites, also our Facebook meta page and Instagram page if you would like to contact us. But yes, you can have 10 lessons where our driving instructor will help you to train on how to do the parking. The parking is very narrow. You have to be very careful because it's very narrow. You have to be very careful how you park. Yes, you may be a very experienced driver, but parking in Cambodia is much more difficult. And we are talking from experience because we had many friends, many clients that were experienced drivers in the United States, in Australia, but they have failed their parking exam. So it's very important that you follow what the driving instructor tells you to do. You park your car in a perfect way. So yes, usually there will be 10 lessons and then you will do the exams. The first exam will be a computer exam. You have to get at least 35 out of 40 if you want to pass the car examination using the computer. The translation from Khmer to English, yes, the exam is in English, so you have to memorize the answers. You cannot just come in and expect to use your logic to pass. And then after you pass the computer exam, so you get at least 35 out of 40, then you can do your parking examination. And like I said, parking is very narrow, so you have to watch out every small detail. With a professional driving instructor that we provide, you will be able to pass these little obstacles in order to park your car perfectly. We have the T parking and we have the P parking. Yes, 2 kinds of parking that you have to do, and no turning back. If you turn back, you will automatically fail in your exam for parking. So this is quite important to know. So yes, if you want to apply, you have to definitely register, make a full payment, submit all your documents. If you want to have the exam, you have to inform the company or driving school at least 7 days prior the decision of your examination. So you have to give a 1-week notice. And yes, all exams are done on Monday morning. Sometimes examinations are done on Tuesday or Wednesday mornings, but this is mostly for parking exams. And the examination place is actually about 1 hour from Phnom Penh at the heavy truck examination place. All foreigners must go there and only in Phnom Penh city, so be aware of that. So yes, after that you just go for the exams. If you pass the exams, then you wait another week to receive your Cambodian driving license for the car. For the motorbike license, it's similar. You have to study the app, the Cambodia driving rules. The same for the car. You just download and study and also practice with the mock test. You do this examination, and yes, you also do a driving test. If you're an experienced bike driver, passing the test will be quite easy. Yes, you have to study the theory, so it will take some time, but yes, you have to inform 7 days prior deciding to take the exams, which will be at the same place as where foreigners take the examination for the car, about 1 hour from Phnom Penh City. So yes, after you pass the exams, for the motorbike exam, the computer exam, you have to score at least 28 out of 40. And for the driving and parking exam for the motorbike, it's quite easy if you're an experienced driver. So yes, after that, you wait another week to receive your driving license. This is quite important. Both the car and motorcycle licenses are for 10 years. If you're 60 years old and over, you get only 5 years. And if you have a foreign driving license from your country, you can use an agency to convert it into a Cambodian license, and it will be valid only for 1 year. Or you can go to Aeon 1 or Aeon 2 and do it yourself. That's another option. And also, another thing to know is that if you want to get the international driving license, you have to have a Cambodian driving license first. If you have a Cambodian driving license, you can get the international license. But remember, it's valid only for 1 year, same as the temporary license. If you want to convert your foreign license into a Cambodian license, it's only 1 year. So this is quite important to know. So yes, if you're interested in getting a Cambodian driving license for a car or a motorbike, you can contact us on our official websites in the description below, our Facebook weather page, Instagram page. We are happy to assist you. We are happy to help you if you want to sign up for either the 10 lessons plus examination course to get a car driving license for 10 years or 5 years depending on your age, or for the motorcycle license. Yes, you can sign up. And we have a professional driving instructor that works with us, and also we do have videos where you can see how everything is done. But yes, this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.